Hey guys, today I want to show you a cool way how to improve your end game. And what I often see from the players when you have that kind of angle with the black, which is not enough angle to play softly for the yellow ball. What players tend to use is to use too much top spin and left hand side, and this is what happens. The cue ball goes right here, and because of the left spin, goes too much wide and goes here. So this is the best case scenario. And for the right hand players, that means that player has to use from this angle rest, which is still okay. Still you can play with two cushions for the green, but that's not optimal. It's just more chance to miss the ball because you play with the rest, and most people don't like to play with the rest, right? So I'm just going to give you example what's happening, because they're thinking, okay, I need to move more cue ball because I need speed to get close as much as possible to the yellow, but this is what happens. Slide to the left hand side, top left, and this is one of the scenarios. They get snooker behind the blue, so this is probably the worst case scenario. If they use too much spin or too much top, and if the angle is a little bit wider, they get, as I described in the first instance, the cue ball gets too close to the center part of the table. And with topspin, it could react one time like that, another time like that, but in both ways for the right hand player, it's not comfortable. For the left hand player, it could be an option because they can easily reach out from the left hand, but still, it's a long distance and you can have to kind of punch the ball, so that's not ideal. So, what is the solution for that? So, it's gonna sound a little bit counterintuitive, but I would recommend you to play slightly below center. Yes, touch of left. So not top left, just below center. Now the question is why? And the reason is when you play just below center stunt shot spin, the cue ball after impact is gonna go this direction and go closer to the middle part of the pocket. And because it's gonna finish right here, naturally it's gonna go towards this direction here. For the right hand player, it's much easier way to reach the shot. And you might ask, but this is much more difficult to put. Yes, that's correct. That is deflection, but you know, uh, when you achieve certain level, like intermediate player or like a beginner intermediate, you can still experiment and see what is gonna go. I think with experience, you and good timing, you should get quite good results. But I'm using tiny bit spin. I don't use it a lot, so I don't have that much deflection. So you just need touch of inside in this case, and it's gonna go this direction here, and then if I land here, I'm in very good position to make a clearance. So once again, this is the angle. This is the angle, and just watch and observe how the cue ball responds. So just below the center. In this case, I'm aiming tiny bit thicker because the cue ball is gonna push slightly to the right, so I'm aiming slightly thicker, especially when you play a firmer stroke, which I'm gonna do right now, and just put smooth stroke. And guys, I'm really happy with this shot. Check the angle. As I said, the cue ball goes more towards the center, goes this direction, and finishes right there. I'm really happy with that shot, and I use this in situations where I need to finish the break when I have that kind of angle. And I recommend to apply for yourself and see how much difference it's going to make in your cue ball control pattern logic and then the total clearance percentage.